Hey YouTube friends, so I've been looking online to find how to use this product. Didn't find a lot of videos regarding that, so I'm going to do a small demo of how to use this Tabule stud finder. This scanner includes 4 different scanning modes for woods, beams, joist, metals, and AC wires. A stud mode detects wooden beams and joists in the drywall for about 1 inch. Then you have a stud with a deep mode. A deep mode actually detects wood and metal parts that are about 2 inches. And also for beams, it gives you detection for pipes, aluminum and copper for about 1.5 inch. And then towards the end you have this AC current voltage finder, which gives you about AC voltage that is embedded in your wall for about 2.5 to 3 inches. For calibration, you basically turn the tool on and press this right button. You will scan the depth of your wall and make a beeping sound. So this means that your tool is calibrated. Trying to find the first stud. There's one. And just keep on sliding through the wall. Find another one 16 inches apart. There it is. Guys, so if you want to know if you're doing the right thing, finding the studs are basically 16 inches apart. So if you find a stud, just move to your right or your left and measure exactly 16 inches, and if your tool should be able to find the stud exactly where it is. Another way to test if you're finding the stud in the right place is basically by the sockets. So sockets usually have their studs on the side, and then to basically kind of calibrate, where the center of your stud is. Yeah, so just to give you an example about this electric mode, what you basically do is that you do the same thing. You do calibrate first, and then you slide it on the wall. To give you guys an example, you can just put it above the socket, and it should give you a sign right there saying there is some kind of electricity behind it. It's pretty obvious, but it could really be helpful, if you guys are running wires around your stud. Guys, so this was a basic video how to use this tool. I've used this tool around the house for a lot of my DIY stuff. Recently put a TV using this tool. I've also used this to put blinds around my house. So if you like the tool and if you want to use the tool, the link is in the description below. Also, if you have questions regarding the tool, please leave a comment and share and subscribe to the video. Thank you.